What's your reason for wasting all this time? Leave regrets behind, they'll come back around. It's just like a crime, you're trading a thin line. You're on the edge, you're falling down.
We go harder when we go. Hey!